In this video, we're going to be using Claude code to actually make really clean website sections. This is an example website that my brother made for a website creation video. If you want to check that out, I'll leave that in the link below. Custom liquid is literally just code that you have to put in order to create something like this. And we're just going to get Claude to make it super easily. This part right here is custom liquid. This is the actual live website and I just have it on mobile view. If you actually click this, which is the custom liquid that Claude completely made for me, it can even take you to other links such as studies. This is actually a section by Elixir, and this right here is actually a custom liquid purely made by Claude. It's actually a little bit cleaner and it's fully tuned to how I want it to be and how it matches the actual website style. Both custom liquids did a very good job following the website style. But yeah, no more really needing a specific theme just to make a specific section. You can fully customize any website now to pretty much look very clean as long as you can get Claude to actually make it properly, which I'm going to show you how to do here. My brother and I have been using Claude for pretty much anything that comes from making ads and making actual website copies, advertorials, stuff like that. We've been able to actually use AI to pretty much make everything cleaner, nicer, and actually save a lot of time. This prompt doc we only show to students. Jackson, he's already doing, I'm pretty sure right now he's almost at 50k MRR. Oscar hit 100k a month. But yeah, we're gonna first hop on Claude, and the first thing that I do is actually provide Claude a screenshot of the entire product section page. This is because if you just provide the website, Claude can't actually see what it looks like, but it can just kind of gain understanding from the coding that the website's built upon. But I'd rather give Claude context on exactly what the website looks like, so that's why I provided screenshots and photos of pretty much the entire page. These prompts are going to be in the link below. This is one of the prompts that we're going to be kind of just releasing for free, it's really simple to use. So what I did was provide the screenshots and provided this part of the prompt, which I put here. Basically, I'm telling it that I provided screenshots of my entire web page, and I wanted to analyze the web page so that it understands the type of design style for future custom liquids, and to actually just be able to create custom website sections that just fit alongside with the website or in all of the other shapes and colors that it's using. And then obviously right here, I kind of mentioned the goal, which is that whenever I need to create a custom liquid, it can actually make it fitting perfectly to the web page. So Claude's going to analyze it and just give you a bunch of stuff about your website, just like the color coding, the type of font it is, just kind of everything in terms of the actual design of the website. And that's literally just Claude learning how to pretty much make future custom liquids for your website. So we're pretty much almost done. What you're actually going to do is click on this link. You're going to press Control-A to highlight everything, and then Control-C to copy everything. You're going to paste it into the prompt, which you're going to send as like a doc here. And then you're going to come back here, copy and paste prompt 2. This is exactly what I did here, where it says insert what you want. You're literally just going to tell Claude exactly what you want out of your custom liquid. This is where you actually have to use your brain, but trust me, it is not that difficult. I put a red highlighted section that talks about how beetroot is scientifically backed to support blood pressure. This article shows that beetroot works to help with blood pressure, so mention very briefly how it works for blood pressure. And what I actually did was just literally search up beetroot blood pressure study for lowering blood pressure, which is what the product's about. And right here, there's an actual study regarding how it works, and there's a link that guides it to a medical study. So what I'm doing is actually providing Claude the link to that medical study, and I'm just telling it that I want a section that it can actually show the medical study so that it looks like it has a source, which is literally this, pretty much just claiming how it's scientifically backed and that you can actually view the actual study that shows that it's scientifically backed. But yeah, and then I said, please make sure the copy is short and contains a button to take them to a new tab that opens the study as a source of evidence of the claim. The copy should be something brief, for example, and I just give it a brief example such as beetroot is scientifically backed for the support of blood pressure regulation. So yeah, I'm just literally telling what I want out of the design. Now, your prompts that I put a link for is going to be updated and better because Claude was sending me the wrong type of coding that wasn't meant for Shopify. So I added this right here. It's just pretty much telling it the type of code that Shopify accepts so that it'll make the code automatically for that. So yeah, we're pretty much done. And then we got one more quick step. So what I did here was copy this entire code that it printed out. And then I'll show you right here. If I delete that, it'll delete the section right here. So let's paste in what it made. It fits literally perfect with the website theme, but I kind of want some of my own changes. The button does work as well. I kind of circled a screenshot of what it printed and I let it know I have circled what this liquid created. Can you please make the edges of the section more rounded and fitting, and get rid of the stars, but put a research symbol with a check mark to show that this is a verified published research. Now what you're going to do is literally just copy and paste this prompt 3 to make section changes. It's just going to do the same thing as this, and then you're just going to literally tell Claude what you want in terms of the changes, just like how I told Claude that I want it to be more rounded and fitting. and that I wanted to get rid of the stars and put a research symbol instead and a check mark. So then Claude created this, which I will get rid of this one and paste the new one in here. So as you can see, this looks way cleaner. However, I didn't like this little orange star. So I went back on Claude. I literally just told it I don't like the orange check mark color. Just change the check mark to white and then put it on the right side of backed by public research instead of the left side. So what I did was copy this, get rid of the custom liquid again, and then paste in a new one, and then created this, which was my final result, which I think is very clean. What it actually did was it made the text green here, which I thought was ugly and it didn't fit. So I literally told it that I don't like the green. I asked it to just change it red, and then it made this right here, copied and pasted back into the section, and it does exactly what I want. But yeah, as you can see, as long as you can describe to AI very much what you want, you can make very clean sections very easily, and you can edit these very easily simply just by using these prompts. If you guys need cheap access to tools, make sure you guys check out the Luxury Extras link in my description. It's literally a hub of all of the ecom tools that you'll pretty much need. It has everything from GetHookd, AdSpy, Shop Hunter, PP Ads, to things like analytics like KaloData, which I know a lot of you guys like to use, SimilarWeb, which is a huge one because SimilarWeb, the way you can use it here, like I'm pretty sure this feature on SimilarWeb is like $400 a month or something ridiculous in itself. You can even use Claude and ChatGPT, and all this is literally just $30 a month compared to the thousands you would pay for all of these. If you're doing consistent sales, I highly recommend you check out Commercive. They're US 3PL, and these guys are the guys that we use once our store becomes pretty consistent in terms of sales, just to usually get better COGs. But yeah, if you're doing consistent sales, check out Commercive, see if they can provide you better COGs, because if they can, it's way better working with an American fulfillment center. But I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like and subscribe. It helps this video get on the algorithm and help others out. I'm going to be posting way more videos that actually show how to use AI for modern day dropshipping, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those. And join my free Discord. There's a lot of people that talk in there that are really into dropshipping that have a consistent chat going. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm usually pretty good at answering everyone's DMs. Peace out.